Happy Life Day.
Good morning and Merry Christmas. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. We are here in the Pop Century food court bright and early because we are going back to Hollywood Studios to try and get on Rise of Resistance for a second time. So excited. And then
I'm becoming a Jedi along with Mary and Aidan. We have appointments to look into some scrap metal at Sabi's workshop. Yes. We're also going to be checking out Oga's Cantina.
Yeah, we haven't done that yet either. Let's go. We're not the only ones up at 6 a.m. on Christmas morning. This morning we went with requesting a lift instead of a minivan. So that should be here in about 10 minutes. So when you do get a lift or a minivan, you come right out to the guest check-in where they drop you off. And this is the pickup point. So the Magic Kingdom's been open for 9 minutes. What does it look like? 7 dwarves
is 35.
Oh,
and everything else,
terrible.
Everything else is 5 or 10.
Okay, so that's not crazy.
It's also only open
Yeah,
10.
I'll be interested to see what things look like at studios. By the speed of that man's walk, you can tell that we are at the entrance.
We're closer than we were last time.
6:22. Yeah, it doesn't feel like there's as many people. Our trick is we go all the way to the right because these barriers are here. So they will open up turnstiles to the right once they start letting people in. $6:22, Hollywood Studios, Mary's dancing. Aidan's cold.
Hey.
6:47 we got into the park about 6:44 and then Mom was in a different line so she got in at 6:47 but definitely arrived around like 6:20.
Yeah, 6:20, 6:25. So here's, you can just see the crowds are just pouring in, pouring in, pouring in.
What's really cool is that there's a really fun, just excited energy like throughout everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody is here for the same ride. It's Christmas.
So we were standing there waiting for Allie to get through, and there was this like grown man, about like 6'4", 250, and he scanned in, and all of a sudden he was like, whoa! And he like ran up to his family. It was awesome. We got about 10-15 minutes for the boarding groups to open up, then I think we're gonna do our Sunset Boulevard strategy. We're gonna try Rock and Roller Coaster and maybe Tower of Terror, and then we got Oga's at 8. So off we go.
This is great. This is just great. So that's all the people waiting to go to Toy Story Land and Batu. We are heading down Sunset.
I was him last night, like, and we had the 13.
And it's much less crowded. What we get?
We got 15.
13.
Oh, 13.
13. We're gonna go on Rock and Roller Coaster because that is one of the rides that these 3 can't go on once they get their little lightsabers. So we're gonna hit that and then maybe go join the Resistance. The cheers and like the
People got them. It's like, yes.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So one of our tricks is we do single rider because it gets you literally right in. It does split you up, but it gets you right into the ride. We are literally the first single riders of the day. They are bringing the masses up behind us, and we're walking on. Again, we will be split up, but that's all right. As a time reference, it is 7:05. So we'll see what time we get out. Woo! When you wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, going on Rock and Roller Coaster is a really good way to just get that blood flowing. We're gonna try and go over to Tower of Terror, see what the line is like for that before we go to Oga's Cantina for breakfast.
If you've got
They did?
a standby of 13 minutes, we're gonna give Tower of Terror a try.
Hold up.
Around 10 or 11 we're going to the service.
noise. Tower of Terror was very fun. That was a new sequence. There was, at one point, there was a ghost and in like the middle. Yeah, it was definitely a different sequence. So our boarding group has been called, so we are gonna head over to Rise of the Resistance now. And we're trying to kind of swing all the different stuff that we've got planned, but I think we're gonna go Rise of the Resistance first, and then try to do Oga's and then Sabi to get our lightsabers. So off to Batu. And now we are into Batu, ready to fight for the Resistance.
Right this way, recruits. She went over to...
I love how you can hear like all the radio transmissions for the Resistance stuff.
Happy Life Day.
What?
That's the Star Wars holiday special. They're celebrating Life Day. Chewbacca.
Life
Yeah, that's
Day?
a bit. Yeah.
Cool.
That's the Star Wars holiday special. That's the thing.
We're gonna tell them we want to timestamp sales.
Oh my gosh, no, where?
Oh, that's the Falcon.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara.
Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits and transports. No need for safety here, and it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Round 2, Blue Fly, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! Ahead!
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some funds and make us a fair fight.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
Under the command of the First Order. Disembark immediately and proceed to your right for interrogation.
Single file line in front of them.
How many were in your unit? 4. You will form a new line parallel to theirs. How many in the next unit? All of them.
There, unit of 2. Unit of 2. There, unit of
1. For the interrogation, we will be breaking you down into smaller groups. Those groups will be represented by the color units here on the ground. How many in your crew, sir? You will be on the red color units right over here. Proceed now. How many in your unit?
Oh my god.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Think they are okay?
Then we have the recruits. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaking into lock range. Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
That was a close one. I wasn't sure if we were going to get off the Star Destroyer, but we made it.
The first order. Thank you.
Thank you.
The first order interrogators.
Were terrifying.
The best part ever.
Yeah.
They are all big, like
Yeah, they get these like.
I was afraid to take a picture. I was trying to take pictures, and I got yelled at, and I was afraid to take another picture because I get yelled at.
We made it. They got us off the Star Destroyer, so now we're gonna try to go see if we can hit Oga's. Actually, the crowds in here aren't too terribly bad right now. Yeah, I mean, I think having the different reservation stuff makes it a little more manageable. There's Ronto's, there's Doc Ondar, and there is the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy.
The castle run under 12 parsecs?
12 parsecs, I hear.
These are the rules. Make sure we follow these. They're very important. One's underlined, one's written in red. If you don't follow them, this kind of stuff happens, and we've already paid enough credits for renovations. Also, this door. It's not the only exit, but it's the only way out. Right this way.
It was very Star Wars Cantina.
Yeah. Oh, my God. We got a little drinking song going.
Yeah. The cinnamon bun was very, very good. The cinnamon tea tastes like chai tea. So, yeah. There is a 150-minute wait right now for Smuggler's Run. We have an appointment to build scrap metal in
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
So I think we'll probably bum around because I think you have to check in 15 minutes before. Yeah,
Actually,
so we'll
let's
walk
see if
around, we'll
the mission's
explore.
Yeah.
They're gonna do a mission.
I'm gonna see if we
A life day
my
mission.
life day mission. Happy Life Day, people.